Good day, sir. Now, we will present our simulation about wave-on string and mechanical waves. I'm John Maramadati.
I'm Justin Borbon.
I'm Jericho Drain Guzon.
I'm Christian J. Palispi. I'm Giancarlo Embile.
So today, we will present the simulation of waves on string, a study in wave propagation. For our objectives, the intended objectives of the simulation is first, to demonstrate the relationship between wave speed, tension, and linear mass density as described by the wave equation. Second, to visualize the formation of standing waves and their harmonics on a string with fixed boundaries.
Now let's talk about the waves on a string. First of all, what is waves on a string? Waves on a string are a fundamental concept in classical physics illustrating the principles of wave propagation in a one-dimensional medium. These waves, often referred to as transverse waves, occur when disturbance causes the string to oscillate to perpendicular to its length. Mechanical waves, sound waves require medium particles to travel through. Sound and water waves are examples of mechanical.
For the chosen simulations models the propagation of transverse waves on string, focusing on visualizing wave behavior under varying tension and mass density. It simulates a string fixed at both ends, allowing for the formation of standing waves and the observation of harmony frequency. So sinasabi dito, yung slide na pinapakita ay nagpapakita siya ng simulation ng transverse waves sa isang string. Minomodel niya dito kung paano nagbabago ang wave behavior depende sa tension at density, tension at mass density. Parang fix yung magkabilang dulo niya, tapos kaya makikita ang standing waves at ma-identify ang mga harmonic frequency. And karaniwan din na ginagamit dito sa physics para pag-aralan ang wave motion at resonance.
You how waves on a string and mechanical waves work, but how did we do it? So we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the web and to code how the simulation will work. Here, so you can see in JavaScript, this is where the simulation will go, where the calculations will where the waves will use the calculations and and what's the flow of our website. Once you go to our web, you have two options: to learn the mechanical waves or to go to simulations. But today we will go to the two simulations already. So here, first you will instantiate your own value for the JavaScript method of the grid for it to draw the waves like this. And you'll see the grid responded to my value and draw a waves that corresponds to the value you input.
One wavelength is a set distance that represents the full cycle of a wave. It can be measured from crest to crest, from trough to trough, or any two consecutive points in the wave cycle. The unit for wavelength that we use is meters.
Dito sa lower frequency, makikita po natin yan, same lang sila ng amplitude. Mas mababa lang po yung sa lower frequency kasi mas malawak po yung wavelength niya. Kumpara po sa higher frequency, mas maiksi po yung wavelength niya kaya mas malaki pong wave.
So,
here's how we calculate the velocity of a wave. As you can see, our frequency is 0.5 waves per second, and our wavelength is 2 meters. Now we plug this value into the formula, and our formula is velocity is equal to frequency times lambda or wavelength. Now we plug this value into our formula, so you can see our frequency is 0.5 over seconds multiplied to 2 meters, and we get the value of velocity is 1 meters per second. The wave travels at 1 meter seconds towards the shore. Now we're gonna explain how our simulation works. First, what are simulation? Our simulation is mimic or visually representation of oscilloscope. What is oscilloscope? Oscilloscope is an instrument to analyze and display how waves behave. And as you can see, if we put a value here, we will see how wave behave. And our simulation is to show how wave behave like a rain oscilloscope, but our simulation are just visually representation of it.
Thank you for watching our presentation. Once again, I'm Giancarlo Emile.
I'm Justin Borbon.
I'm Christian Ivan Espin.
I'm Amado John Martin.
I'm Jericho Dalin Guzan.
Thank you.